Nestled in the trees, this beautiful Lake Oswego home is situated in a tranquil setting and in a coveted location close to mountain park amenities, shopping, top-rated schools, parks, walking trails, and it's only half a block to the Racket Club and Fitness Center. From the new, serene, dramatic water feature to the mature landscaping, it's a private retreat. Head inside and discover custom woodworking, including a hand-carved fascia by renowned wood carver Leroy Setziol. Walls of windows, soaring exposed beam ceilings, and a sunroom offer tons of natural light. From multiple doors, you can head out to the newly refinished decks, overlooking the backyard and walking paths. Tile floors lead to the chef's kitchen with both granite and quartz countertops, a cooktop island, stainless steel appliances, and abundant storage space. Gorgeous architectural design leads to the vaulted main-level primary bedroom suite, where you can wake up to coffee on your private deck or unwind in the remodeled spa-like bathroom. A flex space is perfect for a home office or a fifth bedroom with another full bath. Descend downstairs to the bonus room with new windows, a gas fireplace, a second full kitchen, and 3 additional bedrooms, ideal for multi-generational living or a potential ADU. Plus abundant storage. Multiple yard areas and an array of fruit trees surround the serene retreat. Other features include a 2-car garage and an additional parking pad with interlocking pavers. Appreciate all that Mountain Park has to offer, including excellent schools, dog parks, trails, and recreational centers. And it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.